Hi, all, and welcome to Learn English in 1 minute. The fourth lesson is about articles, a and an. Now, the indefinite article takes two forms. It is the word a when it precedes a word that begins with a consonant. It is the word an when it precedes a word that begins with a vowel. For example, I say, please hand me a book, or please hand me an autobiography. However, in every rule in English, there is an exception. Here we have an exception. If the first letter of the word is a consonant but it is not pronounced, we use before it an, like my mother is an honest woman. Similarly, if the first letter of a word is a vowel but is pronounced as a consonant, we use a instead of an, like she's a United States senator or I go to a university. If you have any questions concerning this lesson, don't hesitate to contact me.